Hi all, so welcome to my channel again. So today we have an urgent opening requirement for SAP WM candidates. So the warehouse management consultants who are looking for a job change, they can apply using this video portal and all the information they can get from here. Okay, and let me tell you the topics. Okay, so first of all, the company is an automobile company. Okay, and there is a requirement for warehouse consultant strong having a strong knowledge and good experience. They are looking for a 4 to 5 years of experience candidate as well. Anyone having more than experience, that those candidates are welcome by the company. The topics they are looking is for the evaluation is you should be a strong in the warehouse configuration. Okay, so from the support perspective, these are all the topics. If you have not having any implementation experience, that is okay, but you should be well aware of the configuration that is required for the warehouse structures and warehouse setup. Okay, so that is all the warehouse setting that is needed for handling the stocks in the sales order and a delivery. That is important, along with the transfer orders. If you have worked in transfer order, that is going to uh, uh, add an extra exposure. So warehouse management plans, all the settings, how you are going to configure that. Okay, handling unit is one of the important topics. So they are looking for handling unit and someone who is having a barcoding and SAP console experience. That is going to add an advantage for getting this job. The company is mentioned, like I mentioned, it is a automobile sector and it's a very good company. And you can get the details of the company once uh, you can share your resume and the interview is scheduled. So all the details will be shared later on after picking up your profiles. If the company thinks your profile is suitable for their position, they will definitely reach out to you over phone or over email, and there they can talk about you more about your client or the company's automobile company. So you should be having a support experience. They are only looking at how you are going to fix the problems. Or if you have a debugging knowledge, that is going to add an extra advantage because you are uh, going to solve the issues as soon as possible with your debugging and techno-functional skills. Okay, so main thing is that 4 to 6 years of experience in warehouse, all the storage location, storage types, storage sections, handling units, and all those configuration you should be well aware of, including the number range and storage bins. If you have implemented any OSS nodes, so you can mention the OSS node in the resume, which OSS node you have implemented for which section and which problem. That will going to get you a double bonus, okay, in picking up your profiles. And how you are going to apply, so it is for WM position only. Working location they have mentioned right now is for Noida, but I guess it is available for some other location earlier, but they have already filled only the vacancies for Noida right now. But you can drop a mail and yeah, they can just talk about the location and CTC there after your selections. Okay, the notice period is maximum of 30 days. They have mentioned that they are looking for immediate joiners, but anyone is having 2 months of a notice period as well, or if anyone is having 3 months of notice period, but they can manage their notice period with their current company, those candidates can also apply. But the one who are already in the notice period or serving notice period, they can immediately apply for this position and get this job. Okay, this is a very good company. And you how you are going to apply is you have to mention all those details in this format. Okay, the preferred location is Noida and notice period should be 30 days maximum as per their comment. But yeah, and after, you can attach your resume and your cover letter along with these details in the body of the email, and on the subject line you can just put the WM warehouse SAP WM warehouse consultant job. And you can drop this to this email ID. Saurav Kumar is the point of contact. His email ID I have said here, saurav.k at the rate 100tenths.com. So this is a placement and consultancy service through which this automobile company is going to hire the candidates. So this is not the company, this is a placement and the uh, placement firm who is going to help you to schedule an interview with the automobile company, and then you can have a deal from there about on the CTC as well as on the location. You can check the website and the LinkedIn profile I have said for Saurav Kumar. You can, if someone wants to get in touch with Saurav on LinkedIn, they can also do that. But I will suggest that you should drop a email, proper email with a good CV and cover letter along with the details of your experiences and all those things in the body of the email, and can send to this email ID. That will give a good uh, look to your profile, right? And this is for WM consultants. Please apply. Anyone is looking for jobs, definitely it will going to help you. If you are liking my videos, please subscribe my channel. This is my channel link. You can join me on Telegram. There also you can get some private postings on the jobs as well as some good documentations as well. You can email me if you have any doubt on this email ID, moni066 at the gmail. You can click on this YouTube link and you can check my other videos which I have posted already. And if you are liking it, please subscribe and please like my videos and click on the bell icon so that you can get timely notification as well. So thank you all, and bye bye. Have a nice day.